My newest favorite pasta dish has to be these super creamy Philly Cheesesteak Stuffed Shells. Start by cooking your jumbo shells in a large pot of salted boiling water and then setting them aside. For your meat mixture, combine your ground beef and then cut up some bell peppers and some onions. And then once your meat is fully cooked, add your vegetables. Cook it for a few minutes and then add your ketchup and the Worcestershire sauce and stir to combine. Then all you gotta do is fill all the jumbo shells with the meat mixture, placing them in a baking dish, making sure they're nice and snug. For the cheese sauce, place the milk in a saucepan and then combine the cornstarch with a little bit of the broth to create a smooth mixture. Place them in the simmering milk with the rest of the broth and whisk until nice and smooth. Add the cheese and whisk until the sauce thickens. Pour the cheese sauce into a measuring cup and then pour 3/4 of the cheese sauce over the shells, keeping the rest for serving. Sprinkle with a bit more cheese and then into the oven it goes for 15 minutes. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.